Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Bobo token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Bobo the bear is a more than a meme coin. He is the S-tier OG fortune king of bears, born organically and legendary, bizboard and fogged through every cycle since 2018. Bobo become the voice of the trader who reads the room before the room reads itself. The one who survives the top gets laughed at on the way up and gets quoted on the way down. Long before a token existed, Bobo was drawn, reposted, and remixed across countless memes, trading threads, and timelines, earning recognition as the face of bear markets across the board. Bobo the bear token total supply is 999.99 million and circulating supply is also 999.99 million. Bobo token is listed on MEXC, Bank, XC.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project after 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.